Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to log into Candy Crush Saga using your King account so that you can save your progress and play across all devices. First of all, make sure that you have the latest version of Candy Crush Saga installed on your device and tap the game icon to open it. Once you're inside this page of Candy Crush Saga, click on Retrieve My Progress and then click on the Continue drop-down. And you can sign in with your Facebook or Apple ID as well. If you want to sign in with King account, tap on Login with Email at the bottom. Now type down your email associated with your King account and its password in the text boxes. If you've forgotten your password, you can tap on Forgot Your Password link and follow through the instructions. After filling down your credential, tap on Login and you will then be able to log in with your King account on Candy Crush Saga. Once synced, you'll return to the game. You can now continue playing where you've left off previously on Candy Crush Saga. All of your progress is safe. Make sure you log out safely if you share your device. And that's how it's super easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.